Hello everyone, this printer is HP Deskjet 2910. I'm going to show you how to scan documents from this printer to your mobile phone. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected together via wireless network or Wi-Fi direct using HP app. This is HP app, and to scan your document, open up the glass scanner, stick the document you want to scan face down. Make sure the document starts from the right. The document we have here is A4 paper. Then go to your mobile device, select scan. Go on top, select the page size, A4. Then you go back, source, glass scanner, resolution. The maximum with mobile device is 300 dpi. Then go back, color. We want to scan this in color. If you want to scan black, then you select black. Then you go back again. And also make sure it's in document. If you want to scan photo, then you select photo. So select scan. This is the document. Then you select full. Then select next. Cropping. If you want to scan the second document, open up the glass scanner. Stick the document face down. Make sure it starts from the right. Close the scanner. Then go on top and select add. The same features. Then you select scan. Then select full, then select next. So these are the documents we scanned. If you change your mind or want to delete any document from here for any specific reason, you need to select the three dots. It gives you option for you to edit, replace, or delete. These documents are okay. If you want to save this document, then you select save, give the file name. Then you select image type as basic PDF, basic. Document size, make sure it's in A4 and select save. Then it will give you folder or where you want to save this in your mobile phone, then select save. Your file has been saved. Then select close. Then you go back. If you want to print this document out, you select print preview. Then select how many copies, tray, main tray, page range, you can print all. Color option is colored. Orientation is automatic. Then you select print. If you want to print this black color, then you change the color to black and white or grayscale. And also you have option for you to select page in range. Print only page 1. So you select 1 to 1 for you to print page 1, or 2 to 2 for you to print page 2. So you can select page in range. So these are the documents we scanned, printed it out. Now another thing I want to show you is if you want to share this document to somebody via email, you select share, change the document as basic PDF. The actual size is 1.1 MB, so you can reduce it to medium or small. Let's say we want to send the medium 0.7 MB. Then you select share. When you select share, It gives you platforms to share this document. Then you scroll to the side. Once you select the platform, the document will be attached to your email. This document is now attached to my email. Then you put the email address of the person you want to send this to, put a subject. Then the next thing to do is you need to select send. Once you select send, the document will be sent to the person. If you are sending photo or image, then you select JPG. So this is how to scan document from this printer to your mobile phone, save it, print it out. Likewise, share this document to somebody. Thank you very much indeed.